Hello kids, I'm Sharmin Sheila. Today I am going to draw a toy gun. This is very simple and easy to draw. Kids, I draw a toy gun step by step. Kids, can you draw with me? Please, let's draw together. A toy gun is a fun pretend play toy. Kids use it to imagine they are heroes, police officers, and space adventures. Toy gun comes in many colors: blue, orange, red, and green. They are made of plastic and are safe to play with when used gently and responsibly. But remember, a toy gun is not a real gun. It's only for fun and imagination. Always play kindly, share with friends, and never point it at people's faces. Kids, do you enjoying my video? Please subscribe my channel. This is yellow color. This is pink color. This color is so pretty. Playing with toy guns can help kids learn teamwork, creativity, and role play, all while having fun. This is green color. This one is red color. This is blue color. Wow kids, great job! This toy gun is so beautiful. So kids, see you next time. Bye bye.